Hello everyone, so today, as you can see, I'm working from the awesome Warhammer book from the 90s, How to Make Wargames Terrain, and because I've never made Ork style buildings before, I decided to go for a Ork Building. So the size of this was around 4 inches square, because going from the instructions, it said 10 centimeters square, and that's around 4 inches. So with everything else, I just kind of eyed it, like the door size and the windows. But I know I wanted to make this out of mainly double corrugated card, apart from some bits which were made from hardboard, and this is corrugated craft card, which is very useful if you can get it where you are. So here I'm just making a door, just punching some holes in it to make like it looks like bolts, just and some tacky glue. And I didn't have any poly filler, but I had lots of this wood filler, which did the trick. Only difference is it was a lot smoother than what I'd like, so perhaps for the next time I'll use poly filler. So here I'm just adding some bits and pieces so it looks like the walls have been repaired at some point. And gluing it together with hot glue, making sure it's all nice and straight. And there on the inside you can see I've added coffee stirrers. That's just so when I add the roof, they'll sit just inside. It just has something to rest on. You can see, all nice and square. I also want to thank everyone that voted on the ideal length of my videos. I will try to keep them either no longer than 10 minutes, or if they need to be, they're just going to have to be as long as they are, just so I don't miss out any important steps if you happen to be following along. And here I'm just using plastic rods to add bars, but if you don't have these plastic rods, you can use, I don't know, matchsticks, I guess, or kebab skewers. They'll just be a little bit thicker. And again, just covering up the gaps with this wood filler. This goes on nice and smooth, but like I said, it's when it dries, it doesn't dry very rough. So it's when you go to dry brush, if you're dry brushing it, it doesn't, give off a good textured look. But it still turned out okay. And it dries absolutely rock hard. And I'm just painting it a slightly off-white. Then all I did after this was give it a black wash all over, then a dry brush with a kind of deep grey, then a tiny dry brush of white in certain places. So just let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you would like to support the channel, all links will be in the pinned comment and description below. Bye for now.